The coral that makes up the Great Barrier Reef is one of the most spectacular and diverse ecosystems on the planet. Today, we're going to set out and capture and share with you one of the most incredible events that happens once a year on the reef, and that is the coral spawning.
Event where all of our beautiful corals across the Great Barrier Reef will release all of their gametes, so their eggs and their sperm, into the water column at the same time. It is a form of their sexual reproduction. So the coral spawning event occurs usually October, November or December, with some of the outer Great Barrier Reef occurring November and December. It usually occurs a few days after the full moon, when the water temperatures are right and the tides are right. So it might be 9 o'clock where you have to jump in the water to around about 11:30 at night tonight that you want to go out and try and see the staghorn spawn.
Our goal for this trip was to capture and bring you up as close as we could to this magical coral spawning event. After many late nights floating in the ocean, waiting for the stars to align, when it happened, it was truly a remarkable moment to capture on camera. The sight of the coral colonies releasing their eggs and sperm is truly breathtaking. The water is filled with what looks like a galaxy of stars in the sky. The beauty and wonder of this natural event is a testament to the diversity and resilience of the Great Barrier Reef's ecosystem and the importance of protecting and conserving these vital underwater environments.